Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the next segment of French Revolution. France abolishes monarchy and become a republic. So, hope you are taking interest in the chapter. So, let's begin. All as we know about that, what happened in France after National Assembly, monarchy abolishes means not is abolishes means France became constitutional monarchy. Now, in this segment, we will see that because when rights or power of monarch was limited, so what happened later? So the situation in in France continued to be tensed during the following years. Means after the year, it was the tension period in France because you can understand that when a king lost his throne, or you can say the powers are limited, what would happen with him? So, although Louis XVI had signed the constitution and he entered into the secret negotiation with King of Persia and ruler of other neighboring countries, too were worried by the development of France and made plans to send troops to put down the events that had been taken place there since summer 1789. Understand the story. When Louis XVI signed the constitution, means he under the pressure he signed the constitution, he loosened his power, so he entered a secret negotiation. Means he start some conspiracy with the neighboring country of Persia and other neighboring country. Means he wanted to take the revenge from these people who you can say taken the power from him. So the plans and troops means what happened. He made some plan to send the troop in the country so that the revenge could be taken, which was happening since 1789. Before this could happen, the National Assembly voted in April 1792 that declared of war against Prussia and Austria. Means लाइक बिफोर दिस कुड हैपन, मतलब ऐसा कुछ होता कि जो लुई 16 था वो अटैक करवाता अपने ही कंट्री में। उससे पहले क्या हो गया देश में, नेशनल असेंबली वोटेड अप्रैल, नेशनल असेंबली जो थी वो उसने क्या किया, 1792 में एक वॉर पर्शिया और ऑस्ट्रिया के अगेंस्ट में कर दिया। Thousands of volunteers thrown from the provinces to join the army, and they saw this as a war of the people against the aristocrats all over Europe. Means now picture automatically turned. Thousands of volunteers means many people came ahead, like, and they joined the army. They recruited themselves and they made their army, and they saw the war of people against of king. Means king के खिलाफ हो गए लोग, और जो एरिस्टोक्रेटिक क्लास थी, एरिस्टोक्रेटिक क्लास मीन्स जो रिच पीपल ऑफ सोसाइटी थे ऑल ओवर यूरोप, ऐसे लोगों के खिलाफ सब ने युद्ध कर दिया। तो क्या हुआ, पिक्चर बिल्कुल चेंज हो गई। अमंग द पेट्रियोटिक सॉन्ग दे sang the Marseillaise, composed by poet Roger D. L. Islay, and it was sung for the first time of volunteers by Mercedes as they marched into the Paris, means into Paris. Like first time this song was written by Roger Dielzil, उसने लिखा, और फिर ये गाना जो था उनको जो नेशनल एंथम बना, इट वाज फर्स्ट sang by the people in Paris. So got its name, the Marseillaise is now the national anthem of France, और ये ही national anthem बना किसका, फ्रांस का। So in this paragraph we have seen king is disturbed. He wanted to negotiate with the neighboring country so that he could get his seat again back, but it was not happen with him because the people, National Assembly and the other volunteers were too strong. They did not let enter the other people in India. Now, the Revolutionary Wars brought loss and economic difficulties of the people. It happens whenever war takes place. What would be happen? Means people, some first of all, they lost the property. Simultaneously, economic condition become weak. So, while men were away fighting at the front, women were left to cope with the task of earning a living and looking after their families. Means men went for fighting, and what was the role of women? It became very important role for them. They were taking care of the family, they were earning for the family, all the responsibility became more for women. Large section of the population were convinced that the revolution had to be carried further. The Constitution of 1791 gave the political rights only to the richer section of the society. Means now everyone was remembering that what had happened in 1971 National Assembly was there. So what happened? Means all the rights and powers given to the rich section of society. Political clubs became an important rallying point of the people. Rallying point of the people means, like, you want to understand this, that in France what was happening, like some clubs were continue. Club means that one of the you can say activist organization. Small means where people used to discuss the problem related the politics and other. So some clubs were continued. The political clubs became an important drilling point in the country, and for the people who wish to discuss government policies and plan their own forms of action. Means these club you will see in 10th class when you discuss the nationalism in Europe. So in Europe, in a different country, the club were very important, whether they are for men and women, and everyone was you can say engaged in the club, and many clubs were formed by the people, but some club were very very you can say unique, like that is one is given here, Jacobin Club. So the most successful of club was that of the Jacobin Club. The name is given here, Jacobin Club, which got its name from the convent of Saint Jacob in Paris. Means saint like who hold the church. किसी भी church के priest के नाम पर इसको नाम दिया गया था, Jacobin Club, जो कि पेरिस में था. Women too had been active throughout this period. Means simultaneously it has been told that women had played a very important role during this time of war, and they were also having their club and formed their own clubs. In section 4 of this chapter we will read about more of their activists. Means the particular women section is given there, we will discuss here. Now in these two paragraphs what we read about, the conspiracy was done in the country against the you can say means when the king wanted to conspiracy, but he did not successful, and at that time people saved their nation. And another is that when war was taking place, role of women was very important, and Jacobin Club played a very important role, because through this people, you can say, initiated in war like activities. So the member of the Jacobin Club belonged to mainly to the less prosperous section of society. The members of Jacobin Club belong to the mainly less prosperous section of society, and they included small shopkeepers, artisans such as shoemakers, pastry cooks, watchmakers, printers, as well as servants and daily wagers. Means to say that Jacobin Club was very much famous, and the member of this club were ordinary people. Ordinary people you can understand, like the people shopkeepers जो छोटी मोटी दुकानें चलाते थे, artisans हाथ से काम करने वाले, shoemakers shoes बनाने वाले, pastry cooks means confectionery people, watchmakers watch repairs, printers etc, as well as the daily basis worker, the people who were the labor class. Labor class was also the member of this club. The leader was Maximilian Robespierre. Now the name has come. The leader of the Jacobin Club was Maximilian Robespierre. A large group among the Jacobin decided in start to wearing long striped trousers similar to those worn by the dock workers, and this was to set themselves apart from the fashionable section of society, especially the nobles who wore knee breeches. Now, in every society, especially European society, the dress code was very much compulsory. So the member of these club decided to wearing the strip trouser. Strip trouser, you understand? धारीदार पजामे जो पहनते थे वो, सिमिलर टू दोज worn बाय द डॉक वर्कर्स. डॉक जो शिप पर काम करने वाले थे वैसे ही वो भी लोग पहनते थे. लेकिन क्या था, दिस वाज द सेट देमसेल्व्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम द फैशनेबल सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी. वो फैशनेबल सेक्शन थे, वो नी ब्रिचेस पहनते थे. नी ब्रिचेस मतलब घुटनों तक पजामे पहनते थे, शॉर्ट्स पहनते थे, वो नोबल्स थे. लेकिन क्या हुआ, and they as the way of proclaiming end of the power wielded by the wearers of knee breeches. Means ये उनकी power को show करता था. So till in this video we'll discuss this much. In next video we'll discuss because it will be lengthy.